Hello viewers, this is Censor Studio bringing you legal insights for daily life. We'll keep sharing news about Indo-Pakistan. The Indian military launched a preemptive strike on Monday morning local time. The Indian military has launched operations, including attacks and bombardments, against terrorist groups near the Kashmir and Pakistan border in the Kashmir region. The Indian military is currently conducting large-scale bombardment against Pakistan, including in areas with a significant civilian presence. The situation is being monitored by DASU. This is the Kashmir region. It has been confirmed that Indian soldiers have been deployed within the Kashmir region. The unmanned aerial vehicle has been identified as an American-made Predator drone. This is the Kashmir region. There have been reports of airstrikes in the Indian-controlled Kashmir region. The Pakistani military used Air Force to attack Indian-controlled Kashmir. This is the Kashmir region. The Indian and Pakistani militaries are engaged in heavy artillery fire. The Indian military claimed to have killed a terrorist during the exchange. India conducted an airstrike on a terrorist hideout in Pakistan-controlled Kashmir. Pakistan alleges India launched a missile strike in Punjab province, killing one child and wounding two others, according to a local report. In the Punjab region of Pakistan, the damage was severe. An unverified video circulating on social media claims the Indian military shot down a Pakistani JF-17 fighter jet. More accurate information will be provided as soon as available. The Pakistani military claimed that they destroyed the Indian military's main force in a counterattack. Pakistan's military claimed they intercepted Indian Rafale jets. Reuters reports that 2 Indian fighter jets and 1 helicopter were shot down. We will organize and upload more accurate information as it becomes available. This is the Pakistani military, which is currently launching attacks against the Indian military. Countless shells are flying through the air. Reports suggest the Pakistani military is preparing for a major counterattack in response to the attack, while reinforcing their frontline defenses. Pakistan called an urgent national security meeting after an Indian military attack. According to cable news network, Pakistan claims this attack was a preemptive action. Pakistan's foreign ministry deemed India's reckless actions a direct threat to the security of the two nuclear powers. He suggested the possibility of nuclear war. I will organize and upload any further updates from India or Pakistan. To those currently residing or traveling in India and Pakistan, please act according to the announcements from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Please prepare your departure and follow the instructions of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs officials. I will keep you updated with further videos. Thank you.